Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another video about Siemens G120 VFD control module wiring DIDO AIAO connection, analog input type selection and bus address settings. I hope this video will give you a clear idea and professional knowledge about Siemens and any others VFD. This is a Siemens G120 VFD control unit. This is a BGA connector. The BOP or IOP will be connected here. This is a nameplate of the control unit. You can get all the necessary information from this nameplate about this CPU. Here is the analog input output terminals quantity, and here is the analog input output and digital input output terminals. Here is the digital output or relay output of the VFD. Now I will discuss more about the terminals. In left top terminals 10, 11 is for analog input, and terminals 26, 27 is for the analog outputs. In right top terminals 1 is this 10 volt source of the analog input that can be used for potentiometers. In terminals 3, 4 is for analog input, and terminals 12 and 13 is another analog outputs. From the terminals 9 we can get the 24 volt DC output voltage for digital inputs. Terminals 5, 6, 7, 8 and 16, 17 are the digital inputs. You can see at the both left and middle of the right terminals are the digital outputs. In left have two relay outputs. You can use NO-NC contact from this relay. Let's learn some importance factors. Here you can see some knob present here. This is used for the selections of the analog input types. Either this is a milliampere output or a millivolt output. Here are some knobs that is used for giving the Profibus address. You can give the address here. Here is an example that is how to select the position of the knob according to the address. Here you can see 126 is the address and the selection position of the knobs. Let's learn about the wiring. At first have to short the terminals 34, 28 and 69 by a short link cables. Take one start stop switch, one for speed increase and one for speed decrease and one for fault reset. Then take a connection from the terminals 9 that is assigned for the 24 volts outputs. Then short all these switch common terminal with this 24 volts. Start stop command will be connected at the terminal 5 that is DI0. Speed increase command will be connected at the terminal 6 that is DI1, and speed decrease command will be connected at the terminal 7 that is DI2. Fault reset command will be connected at the DI3 that is terminal 8. Remember, all the terminals can be changed and modified by the parameters. Then we go for relay output connection. Here you can see two relays. One is for run feedback and another is used for trip feedback. Relay common power that is A2 will be connected at the 28 terminals that is noted by the GND, ground. 24 volt positive power will come to the relay A1 terminals from the terminals 8 or 19 or the terminals 23 or 24 according to the using of NO or NC command. Now let's see the analog set point connection details. From a signal isolator or a signal generator, 4 to 20 milliampere or 0 to 20 volt as per your needs, signal COM and positive cable will be connected at the terminal 10 that is noted by AI1 plus, and negative cable will be connected at the terminal 11, that is for AI A minus, AI 1 minus. A twisted pair cable have to be used at the analog input output connections. For speed reference, positive cable will be go from the terminal 12, that is AO0 plus, and a negative cable will go from the terminal 13, that is denoted by this G and D, means ground.